Hey folks, Tim Thomas here. Gather around in this video. I'm gonna share my thoughts about several things. It's gonna be a little bit of a different type video that I usually do. I usually just go out for promoting products. But let me share some of my thoughts about working at home going forward from here into 2022 and beyond, and just some of my thoughts. People ask me about direct mail, postcards, Bitcoin, stock market, stock options, all these things I've been involved in. And Forex, we're going to talk about all these things. We'll talk about it on the other side. Okay, hey folks, Tim Thomas here. Like I said, this is going to be a little bit of a video. It's a little bit different. I'm going to share some of my thoughts about some of the things that we've got going on. And some of the my thoughts about Forex, Bitcoin, the stock market, and some of these other things. And hey guys, if I'm passionate about making money from the comfort of home and helping others make money, and the well-being of other people. I am passionate about helping people because Zig Ziglar had it right. You help enough people get what they want in life, and you can have everything in this life that you want. And I really believe that. So as I begin to look at where we're going into 2022, work at home is only going to get better. I declare unto you right now, sound the alarm, push a button, what have you. Work at home is only going to get better for as long as we live. Period. For as long as the world stands. We see that different stores and different things, the malls and stuff, people are going to more online or offline marketing. They're just doing more of that. And what we want to do, guys, is position ourselves to win into these categories. We want to position ourselves to get where we want to be, and bring other people, invite other people to come along with us. And this is exciting times, folks. I'm going to talk about, guys, give me about 13 minutes. I'm going to share my thoughts about Bitcoin, Forex, stock options, some of these brokers that we're using. And I'm going to talk about all these things briefly, if you give me just a moment. Now, on my channel, guys, if you're not subscribed, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button, subscribe to the channel. So when I upload a video, you'll be first to know. This channel is about money making activities. Now, guys, I've got many programs on this channel. If there's one, guys, there's a program I hadn't talked about in a month, still works. Somebody asked me about the Premier Marketing Academy. Guys, I hadn't talked about that thing in a month. It still works. Airmail Infinity Income still works. Like I said, Airmail Infinity Income, or something I hadn't talked about in a while. All those programs are still rocking and rolling. They work when you work them. Period. They absolutely do. And what I do, I rotate around the businesses. One day I'll talk about this one day I'll talk about the other. Why? Because diversification. But anyway, let's get back to Forex. My thoughts about Forex and Bitcoin. Those things are okay investments, or okay activities. But let's talk about Bitcoin and Forex. Forex, this is what we call a Forex chart, guys. This is the Euro USD. There are many currency pairs that you can trade, and I got two different accounts where I dabble in Forex. And comment below the video, guys, if you want to share some thoughts about Forex or Bitcoin or direct mail, affiliate marketing. I dabble in these markets, guys, but I'm telling you, look at the week that Euro has had. I mean, over the last few weeks, just to the floor. I mean, dropped from 16,000 all the way down to about 12,000. If you were short, I mean, you could have made a lot of money, but if you were holding it, guys, you're holding the bag. But anyway, these instruments are okay. But if you're trading Forex, if you're investing in Bitcoin or buying, guys, just know what you're doing. Look at Bitcoin today. This is a perfect day to do it. Bitcoin, guys, is down 8.3% today as I record this video. And this is not a knock against Bitcoin. Some people love Bitcoin. I own Bitcoin. I buy Bitcoin. But do I have all my money in Bitcoin? Absolutely not. There's some people that bet the farm on it. I'm being sarcastic. But down $5,000 in one single day. In one single day. And binary options. I have a binary option account also. And all these things are fine. I have a stock options account. I have an account with a Forex company. I got all these.